Oh, what it do? What's up? Hey. What's pop-a-lockin', my good fam?
What's up?
It's the way, it's the way, it's the way, it's the way that you, it's the way that you talk, way that you pop, way that you, way that you talk.
What's good, sis? It's your girl Crystal, aka Curly Chris. Thank you so much for joining, my good sis or my good bro. So happy to have you here. In today's video, we are doing my full summer care routine. I'm so excited to be doing this with you guys because you guys love whenever I do my full wash day routines. And the style that I'm going to be doing today are finger coils. Okay, I'm so excited to be doing finger coils because I have not done these in so long, y'all. Like, I don't even know what I am signing myself up for, but I'm excited to see how it's going to turn out. Did I just scratch off my eyebrow? So before I go ahead and get into the details of what products we're going to be using, make sure you are subscribed to your girl's channel, okay? Make sure you do one thing, and that is to smash that button down below for your girl, okay? Smash that button down below. I mean, what you want, a little shoulder? Will that make you subscribe? You know, a little shoulder, let me know. I'm gonna just leave it there in case you change your mind. So the products that I'm going to be featuring in today's video are all by TreLuxe. So TreLuxe is a poppin' black-owned brand that I love to support, I love to work with. You guys have seen them on my channel all the time, and they have sponsored your girl's video today. So shout out to you guys for sponsoring your girl's video. I truly do appreciate it as always. So with TreLuxe, I love this brand because they are always doing things for a cause. So for the month of July, if you purchase their products, a portion of your money will go towards the positive sides and the positive actions of all the negative impacts that we are currently experiencing today. So it is a great cause, and we love a brand that loves to support a cause, okay? Also, they ain't forget about you guys, okay? 25% off of all their products for the month of July. So go ahead to your nearest Walgreens to stock up on those products. And also, if you do order online at discovertreluxe.com, you will have the option to donate as well. And they will match every single donation that you put on there. So say you donate $10, they're gonna match it with $10, okay? And they are doing that up to $5,000. So go ahead and support this organization and also support TreLuxe because we love to give back, and it is so important in today's community. So let's go ahead and talk about what products I'm going to be using on my wash day because look, I'm excited, sis, okay? Or bro. So of course, first and foremost, we are going to drench the hair in water. Make sure that it's very wet because water is equal to moisture. So you can't have a poppin' summer hair care routine without the moisturized hair, and starting out with water first. So here is the Curl, Restore, and Renew Gentle Cleansing Rinse, my absolute fave. I love this so much, y'all. It has so much slip. As you guys can see, as soon as you apply it onto your hair, it just ran through my curls. Like, the slip on this product is amazing, which is why I really do like it. And I only have to use this on my wash day whenever I am just trying to give my hair some more moisture. A quick rinse to remove any product from previous. And y'all, just look at how it just suds up, and it's just defining my curls. It also allows me to finger detangle. Like, I can just run my fingers through my hair with this product, y'all. I love it so much. So then after I've used the rinse, I'm going to go ahead and rinse that out with warm water, of course, because summer hair care or winter hair care, we have to use warm water, period, sis, especially for our low porosity sis and bros, okay? So this is what my hair is looking like after I have went ahead and rinsed that out. Definition poppin'. Name a shampoo where you get some bomb definition afterwards. Name a rinse. I'm waiting, okay? Like, I was lit, y'all. So then I'm going to go in with my Untie the Knot Leave-In Conditioner. This one smells so good, and also the slip is poppin'. I really do love this leave-in conditioner. It gives me a lot of moisture, slip, the whole nine. So I'm going to go ahead and just tie this section up, and then we're going to move on to the styling process. A nice quick washing process. We love it. So what we're gonna be doing today is finger coils. I'm so excited about this, y'all. I have not done finger coils in forever. So the leave-in is applied and it's juicy, of course. Like, that's why I love that leave-in. Look at that juiciness, y'all. Oh, it's popping, okay? So now we're gonna go in and we're gonna be using both stylers. So I'm going to use the 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream as well as the Curl Enhancing Styling Gel because I do want I do want moisture, but I also want some hold because these are finger coils. So I'm going to be using mainly the cream and a little bit of the gel. This is the consistency of the cream. Very, very moisturizing. Now let's get into this gel, honey, okay? This gel is like... hello. So yes, it's very, very jiggly. So we're gonna be using those today. I just hope this doesn't take me all day. So what I'm gonna do is use my rat tail comb for the first time in who knows how long. Y'all know I do not be using the rat tail comb on my hair. And I remembered to bring the clips today, y'all, so it must gonna be a good day and a good style. So I'm gonna detangle this section. And I'm going to put about 2 finger coils right here. I don't want to do mine too thin because I want them to look a little bit like locks. I'm going to apply a little bit of the cream. Ooh, the cream is so moisturizing. I love it. So I'm going to seal with the oil also. I'm going to seal after I apply my cream because you guys know I always say you need to seal after applying your most moisturizing product. Okay, not so much the last product, just your most moisturizing product. And in this case, that is the cream. So I just now sealed with an oil. And now I'm going to apply a little bit of the gel, mainly to the root area, and then bring that on down. Yeah, this gel has so much slip. Now I'm going to split this in about half and start my finger coils. I'm so scared. I don't know how this is going to turn out. Okay. I'm going to twist tight at the root first. And then start to... oh, y'all, this is interesting. I'm gonna detangle while I'm like halfway down. All right. I'm just trying to make sure it's nice and sealed. Y'all ready for this reveal? I'm scared. If this thing unravel, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hold on, let me just reinforce it all the time. Because I am scared. Okay. Oh! It stayed. Oh, shucks now. Lord, sis finna cut up. I'm finna cut up. Do you hear me? One more. Lord, they done let the wrong person figure this out. Ooh. Y'all. I also want to make a point that it's very important that your hair is detangled all the way through, because if not, you won't get a smooth finger coil. It'll be like kind of bulky in certain areas if it's not detangled all the way. Dang, I feel like I killed those two. Oh, this is about to be lit. all of the finger coils, and this side has more of them for sure than on this side. I did this side first, but we ain't redoing nothing, okay? So I really do like how they look. I think I'm going to stretch them. I saw this girl on YouTube, I think it's Chic Natural or something like that. Let me see if I can find it. The Chic Natural, that's her name. She like stretched them, and y'all already know when I saw her do the banding method, I was like, oh, okay, sis, bet. I'm doing that too. So I think I'm going to band them as well. I really feel like the cream gave me some nice moisture, and the gel most definitely came through with the hold. So I'm most definitely happy that I used all those products in conjunction. I don't feel like it was too much for my hair since these are finger coils. So TreLuxe did the doggone thing with these products because they both work perfectly for my coils. I'm gonna let them dry, and we're gonna come back tomorrow and see what they looking like. Alright y'all, so it is the next day, and I went ahead and slayed my edges and also tied up my locks, well, my finger coils that look like locks. So let's see what we have. And I also banded everything. So I'm going to go take the bands out, and then we're going to see what the finger coils are looking like as the end result. So I've taken down all the bands, and y'all, I love how the finger coils look. They're so cute to me. I wanted to point out also that by banding the finger coils, it did not give me more length. It just did not allow the finger coils to shrink, because normally with finger coils, your hair will shrink up a lot. But by banding it, it basically kept it the same length as when they were wet. So I'll insert a side by side of when they were wet right here, so you guys can see like they're basically the same length. So any way to save some length, I'm all up for it. Sign me up, okay? Y'all, I think they look so good. Look at how cute. I feel like I got dreads, y'all. So I also kind of like how I didn't make the parts perfect. I kind of like the, not messy part, but where the parts don't look like so perfect. They look more like, just like, you know, not like a fresh set of dreads or like a fresh retwist, but like they've grown a little bit and it just looks natural, you know. So I do like that I didn't put the pins at the base and everything. But y'all, my hair is not crunchy or anything. So that gel and that cream by TreLuxe most definitely did the trick. When they were drying, they were a little bit crunchy, but now like the crunch is completely gone. Like my hair feels really, really soft. Like these, like the hold is going to stick. Like, yes. So I feel like this would even be great for mini twists as well, like these products, because the products are going to keep the definition, give you a little bit of hold but not a crunchy hold. So most definitely head over to Walgreens if you do want to get you some popping results, sis, okay? Something that hold with a little bit of shine, okay? A little bit of shine but not a lot of crunchiness, all me right there. I'm going to show you guys how I think I'm going to be wearing mine. I think I'm going to keep two in the front. You guys know I like to keep two twists in the front. And then pull some of these up. So I'm basically taking a dread, well I keep saying dread, a finger coil, and I'm wrapping it around to create my scrunchie. Because I didn't want to actually put a scrunchie in my hair. Voila. Yes! So thank you so much to TreLuxe for sponsoring your girl's video today. I really enjoyed all of these products, okay? From the gentle cleansing rinse to the leave-in conditioner to the cream to the gel. Everything worked so well with each other. My wash day was so quick. The styling on the other hand was a little bit extensive, but that's because of course I chose finger coils. But y'all, I do not regret a thing, okay? These coils look so doggone good. I am absolutely loving them. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Also, make sure that you go ahead and head over to your Walgreens or discovertreluxe.com and purchase some goodies at Walgreens. They are 25% off. Go ahead and get you a discount. Also, make sure to donate to the charities mentioned on their website. I am so excited for this collaboration, for this style. I feel like everything came out so well, looks so good. So drop me some yellow hearts or something in the comment section down below. Let sis know that you are here, okay? And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.